Now, remember with a, we use a in front of single countable nouns that start with a consonant sound. B, d, t. And we use an in front of single countable nouns that start with a vowel sound. Okay? Now, for a and an, you have to be careful of these letters, E, H, O. Okay? And U. Okay? Now, when you see words with these, sometimes they have a different sound. Now let me show you some examples. Here's one. An umbrella. An umbrella. We haven't seen umbrella before. An umbrella. Okay? Starts with U. It's a vowel. An umbrella. Because it's a sound. Now, another one is a university. A university. But listen to the difference in sounds. A university. U. Okay? A university. An umbrella. Okay? So the sound of the vowel is very important. Okay, here's some other examples. A house, an hour. Now, we have H. H is a consonant, but sometimes we don't say the H. So here we have a house, house, a house. So we hear the H. In this one, we don't say it. It's silent. So we say an hour, an hour. Okay? A house, an hour. So H, you have to watch. Okay, here's another couple of examples. A euro. This one is kind of like this, y. This is how we say it in English, a euro. And we can say an elephant. This one is normal. An elephant. And y. A euro, an elephant. Okay, now look at the screen and you can see a chart reviewing the articles. Now, notice we have articles, countable single nouns, that means one, countable plural nouns, 2, 3, 10, 20, and non-countable nouns. Look where we put a or an. First, a and an are general. So with countable single nouns, we have a car. Countable plural, cars, general. And non-countable nouns, traffic, no a. Another example, countable single, an apple. Countable plural, apples in general. Non-countable, fruit. No, a, or an. Now, the is special or definite. So, with countable single nouns, we have the car. The car over there. Countable plural, the cars. And non-countable nouns, we can use the traffic. The traffic is terrible today. Another example of specific, special, is under countable single nouns, the apple I ate. Countable plural, the apples. And non-countable nouns, the fruit, the special fruit, the fruit on the table. Okay? So there's a little bit of review for you. Now, we always use articles when we use single countable nouns. Apple, dog, pen. We don't use articles when we use plural nouns. Apples, dogs, pens, when we're talking general. And we don't use articles about general, traffic, fruit, rain, non-countable nouns. And we can use the with both, countable and non-countable if it's special, specific. Okay, now let's look at a few more examples. Now, let's make some room here, and we'll look at some examples of a and an. Okay, now, we talk about a or an when something is general. We're speaking in general. So we can say, this is a book. This is a book. General. So this is a book. It's any book. It's not a special book. Here's one. This is an egg. And we had to use N because of the E. This is an egg. General. It's not a special egg, it's general. They are cars. They are cars. Plural, general. No article. A group of cars and they're not special. And another example, they are children. They are children. It's a group of children. They're not special. Okay, this is just general. So all of these are general. Singular, plural, plural. Okay? Now, if we talk about specific, then these change. If we get specific or special, then we change. We can say, this is the book. This is the book I want. This book is special. Okay? This is the book. This is the egg. This is the egg I want to eat. This is a special egg. This is my egg. Okay? This is the egg. Notice how we change the sound a little bit. The egg. The book, the egg. Okay, now we have to change this one a little bit. They are the cars. Now we could put something like this. They are the cars I like. Very specific or special. And then finally, they are the children. They are the children. They are the children, the special children I teach. They are the children. It's a special group now. Okay? So the is used when it's very specific, and look, it's all the same. Okay? Now, let's practice using a, an, or nothing with some words, and the assistants will help us. And these are the words that we're going to use. And then they will tell us what goes before it. A, an, or nothing. So we have banana, tomato,